How to fix kernel mode heap corruption blue error on Windows. 1. Roll back your graphics card drivers. 2. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Repair corrupted system files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 4. Resolve any software conflicts via Windows Clean Boot. Note, you may need to disable or remove any flagged apps. 6. Resolve any hardware issues via mdschgd.exe. Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool, Hardware Troubleshooter, Command, msdt.exe ID Device Diagnostic, and Disk Checker. 7. Reinstall your Windows system. 8. For advanced users, check Event Viewer and run Device Verifier Manager. 9. Check slots of the graphics card and the memory.